In this video, I'll be teaching you about congruency. So if you have a problem that says, which shape is congruent to the green circle? And then choose from the shapes below. So you have to choose your answer from these 4 shapes. So let me explain to you what congruent means. Congruent just means the same shape and the same size. And it has nothing to do with color. So color doesn't come into the picture on this. So when I'm looking at these shapes, I just need to look at which one is the same shape and the same size. And we have, this is not a circle, so this is not going to be one of the answers. So let's cross that out. This is not a circle, so this will not be part of the answer. So let's cross that out. We're left with 2 circles, this one and this one. So remember I said congruent means the same shape and the same size. This one is too small, so we know it's not this one. So we know the right answer is this blue one. And if you're a little bit confused, don't worry, just rewind the video and watch it again.